What's up, guys? Today we are looking at the Build Divers ValkyLander Parviz mobile suit. Now, I picked this up off of Big Bad Toy Store. I will put a link to their store in the description below. And got this for a reasonable price. I love it. It's got pretty much everything. It's got its warrior mode, and then it has a mode which I will show you later. So, take a look at the packaging, obligatory product shots. Now, this is a small grade, and yeah, it's not bad. So, let's take a look at this guy. And here he is, ValkyLander, and this is his basic mode right now. Take a look at that. Now, he is small. He is half the size of a high grade, and do a size comparison right now. And this is the high grade Build Diver. See how they stack up. Put him next to one of the Voltron mini plug Go Lions. And the master grade Epion. So, for articulation, his head is on a swivel, and at the back, it's on a ball joint. Now, the arms, basic, in and out, slight bend in the elbow, feet can go out that much, ankle on a ball joint, and the thigh is on a ball joint as well. Well, he does have a few modes, but we'll take a look at his weapons first. He has his GN cannons. And, yeah, not bad for little blasters. He has his dragon shield and sword, and he can hold the shield very securely as well as his sword. And this is his night mode. Yeah, not bad. I dig it. Especially love the gold and red colors on him. It's really cool. And he does have another feature. If you pop off the helmet, and then you look inside, flip out the green visor, and there you have that. Alright. We are going to get ValkyLander into his full ValkyLander mode. So, first off, you're going to take these little dragon feet and stick them to the bottom. Plug those in right there. You're going to take both blasters and combine them together, and you have the GN Mega Flare device, and it's just a big ass cannon. So yeah, it'll also be used for another mode later in the video. And you also have his wings, which will connect his two pegs there and connect to the ports back. And there you have ValkyLander in his full dragon armor mode. And it gives him a little bit more height. Do another size comparison with a high grade Phoenix Flare. So they stack up. Gives them a little bit more length on the back. Want to check that out? Yeah, I really like it. I also have a small grade Death Scythe Hell. They stack up. And something that I will be reviewing later, the Master Grade RX-78-2. And that'll be in a later video for the channel. Just had to raise the camera up a little bit because we're going to get down to transformation. So first, you're going to take literally everything off. Pop off the helmet. Pop off the wings. And to take these apart. And what you're going to do is take the eyes off and flip those around. For that, you're going to rotate the arms. So that way these pegs are facing forward. The pegs right there. You're going to take these and plug those in right there. The same to the other side. And plug the dragon feet into those. You're going to take the helmet and put that back on. Pop that off for a sec. Attach the wings on those last port and plug that in right there. Plug the main back in to hold it into place. Detach these. Pull out the dragon claws. Plug these into here, on both sides. Take off the dragon head. Take that peg and plug it into that. And then you have the dragon head. And that will plug on these ports here. We'll plug in to those little slots right there. And he is almost done. Now we have to get the tail ready. So what you're going to do, let's take the handle of the shield and plug that here. You're going to take the bottom of the shield, plug that there. And last but not least, take the sword, plug that into that port there. And to get this tail on, you're going to line up the back of the feet and that port there and plug it into the outer pegs right there. And there you have the dragon mode. And yeah, I like it. I really, really like it. It gives it a lot of presence, and I can't believe something that compact makes this big dragon. I honestly love it. I really do. It's one of my favorite small grade Gundams that I do have, and I will show you those once again. You have Death Scythe, and you have the small grade RX-78-2. And we'll see how he stacks up to another Voltron line, Black Lion. Here they stack up. Very nice. The dragon is quite longer. Yeah, I really like it. Now for articulation, in this mode, the head doesn't really go up and down. The mouth opens though, The arms just go up and down, legs in and out. Not really much articulation there, and the tail kind of has a few joints. Oh. Yeah, I have to say, it's not a bad figure. I definitely love adding it to my collection, and very happy to receive this from Big Bad Toy Store. Now, I am not sponsored by them, but I will leave a link to their store in the description, and you can pick yourself up one and review it yourself. That'll be it for this review, and I'll see you guys in the next one.